Number 1. Fotoleey 360 Camera Motorcycle Kit with Invisible Stick. This motorcycle mount kit is the ideal solution for capturing stable and high-quality videos while riding motorcycles or bicycles on smooth roads at the recommended speeds below 80 km per hour. The invisible stick is specifically designed for cycling. It has a twist lock, making it much more stable than a common stick without a locking function. Number 2. Insta360 X4 Motorcycle Bundle 8K Waterproof 360 Action Camera. The 8K era is here. Insta360 X4 delivers 360 degrees video in stunning 8K or 5.7K 60 fps. Use active HDR to keep shots color accurate too, even in action scenarios. With Insta360 X4, get out there and shoot, not having to worry about lining up a shot. Shoot first, then reframe easily after, all in the AI-powered Insta360 app. Number 3. Insta360 Motorcycle Bundle with Invisible Selfie Stick. The Insta360 Motorcycle Bundle is the complete solution for mounting your Insta360 One R/RS or X4/X3/X2/X camera to your motorcycle or your helmet. This kit includes several peel and stick 3M adhesive mounting stickers, allowing you to mount your camera to any smooth. Number 4. Insta360 X3 Motorcycle Kit. Insta360 X3 combines 5.7K 360 with all the power of a 4K action camera together. Unbelievable potential. Insta360 X3 captures 360 active HDR video, with all the benefits of a traditional action camera. Choose your favorite angle after the fact with easy reframing in the AI-powered Insta360 app. Number 5. Insta360 X4 Motorcycle Bundle. Bigger screen, 2.51-foot touchscreen with tempered glass. A clearer and brighter screen gives you a better preview of your photos and videos, with an easier-to-use interface. Capture 360-degree with 8K. The magic of 360 capture is the ability to choose the best angle after the fact. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.